Okay, so this is a work along video with me. I have a SQL table here called companies. It contains a bunch of companies and their full name, and we also have their short name. What we wish to do is send an email daily to another team, which will use this maybe as a CSV file or an Excel file. Okay, so first thing we come to transformations. So we come here, click on a new one, and we say SQL to CSV daily. Okay. Now we wish to simply read this data. We will come to SQL. We will select the relevant items for us, and for me it's gonna be all tables. And I will say, hey, give me all the list of companies, and I'll say okay. Okay, so all the list of companies have come. We do not need a validator here. We'll select the writer and we will say I want to send a CSV file on a daily basis. Okay, so I will come and I will select emails dot daily SQL data.csv. Okay, I want it to be UTF-8. I want CRLF. Yes, override. Okay. Now, when I will connect this, I will select a transformation where I will simply link. No, sorry, I come back first. I come back to my writer and I have a property which can take all the names from the reader. So I say select reader as a source. So all the items with the proper labels have come here, and now I can map them either one by one because they are short. Okay, now if I run this, my file is ready. Okay, if you see this daily SQL data file, this is ready here. Now this is part one where the file is being formed on a daily basis. The second thing is we need to create a package which will send this email on a daily basis. So we will come over here and we'll say new send file daily. Okay, now let us first say, hey, run this automation, and I will say send email. Okay, and here you will select the properties that you need. Okay, we will come over here. Dear XYZ, please find your files attached. We come to attachment facility and our file is ready. Yeah, this is it. You can also put conditions if you want to send this on a specific date. So you could come over here and say, you know what, I want to send this file only on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, so now let's say for today is Saturday. If I run this operation will fail over here.